Dear Haiti, today marks another year since that fateful day, January 12, 2010, when the earth beneath you shook with a force that forever changed your history. A 7.0 magnitude earthquake lasting just 35 seconds unleashed devastation, so immense that the world watched in horror, hearts breaking for the tragedy that unfolded. In the blink of an eye, your vibrant streets of Port-au-Prince, El Agni, and surrounding areas were reduced to rubble, and the weight of grief fell heavy on your resilient shoulders. The loss of 222,570 souls, mothers, fathers, children, friends, leaves an emptiness that words cannot heal. The injuries suffered by over 300,000 people echo in the countless lives altered, while 1.3 million of your people were left without homes, forced to seek shelter in the most fragile of conditions. Buildings that stood as symbols of life and purpose crumbled, with nearly 100,000 homes destroyed and nearly 200,000 more damaged. But Haiti, your story does not end in despair, it is where